Hey, it's Scott from Grasses of Life. I want to show you how super simple it is to make a castor oil pack. Oh my God, it's simple. You need three things. You need Grasses of Life, hexane free, certified organic, certified fair trade, my opinion, the best of the best castor oil on the planet. And you need a hand towel or a tea towel that's just the right size that you can place it over your abdomen or put it under a knee. I've been using it on my knee and it's been working a treat. And you need, thirdly, a Tupperware container / takeaway container so you can put the towel in, because castor oil goes everywhere and you do want to contain it. You don't want it on fabrics, clothing, couches, bedding. You don't want it to go everywhere. So you may want to have an old towel with you as well to put underneath you or put around you if you're going to lay in bed, and make sure you fold it over a few times or use a couple of old towels. And let's get to it.